So, now we know that copper tape works, I am making my own copper tape rings to go in the garden, and I'm doing it using an old plastic bottle, which is just the sort of thing everybody's talking about at the moment, just the sort of thing Skinny Jean Gardener's been talking about. Well, I've taken it to the next level and I am covering mine with copper. Very, very simple job. Get some scissors and an old bottle. You need to make a couple of incisions. Cut the bottom of your bottle off, like that. Bottom's off. Cut the top. It's tricky. You could always use that bit for a little bit of a greenhouse to cover over some seedlings. Miniature greenhouse. So, here's the bottom. I've cut around the top and the bottom of it. I get my copper tape. This is a tricky bit. I'm going to measure it up.
It looks like it's a hard bit.
It's a very hard bit. Measure it up, cut to size. Now this is the copper tape that came for electric guitar insulation. It's not the rubbish that I bought from the garden centre that didn't work. Just thought I'd add that in there.
That was a very bad copper.
It was indeed bad copper. You need good copper. So now you just go around the top and just go over the top a little bit. It's a little bit tricky. Follow it round.
Doing well.
Thank you, son.
It's alright.
Follow it round like that. So you can just see I've gone all around. There's a little bit of an overhang, so what I do is I just nip into the top of the tape so that it'll fold in. Push it all inside. The reason for that is you don't want the rainwater to come down the edges too much and start wearing away the adhesive. And just stick it all down. We're almost done now. Next we need to go from this to this. We just want to cut the bottoms off because you don't want to block too much water and you don't want to block the roots. So I just cut in a few little triangles around the outsides. I'll get that plastic in a minute, don't leave it in the garden. Probably the last one, isn't it? One more. That's about right, and there we go. So now what I can do is I can put that in the soil, push it down around the seedlings that I put in at the allotment, and they'll be protected all around. How many of these can I make from one roll? Well, the roll cost me about £8. It's, as I say, it's electric guitar insulating tape for feedback and things like that. Probably 2 meters. I could probably make 20 of these for £8. How much is it going to cost me to buy copper rings? £15 for 5 last time I looked. So there you go. That's how you make your own copper rings.
They look perfect.
Thanks very much, son.
There they are.